So, time to eat the beans now. We are going to eat those beans. So let's see, I need some scissors here. Do we have scissors? We see. I just came in today. So I put in here. But here we have our scissors. We can use this one. Okay, we look for a cooking pot here. Oh, wow. Maybe we cook with this. There's another one. This stuff, that's too small. Okay, we cook with this. I think this is okay. It's usually good to cook in the big one, but I think this is okay. It's important to check through the hardware, not to take them out. This looks very, very clean. Good. Okay, very nice. And that's enough for us. So this is what we're going now to cook. Let's see now if we can do that. It's important that you wash them very thoroughly, very well. I usually do it 3 times. I don't know what I washed, but I just washed it all the same. So now we're going to cook, and we are going to cook here. This, I don't know where it was. So we are going to cook there, and we put water and then we'll keep checking it up. Now we're going up here and switch on our electricity, because we are going to cook with electricity. And we are going to switch on our cooker here, and let's see now. Let's see which one it is. It must be that one. Yeah, it must be that one. That one, yes, that one. Because the other ones have something like a flame on them. Yeah, it must be this one. Okay. And we put it at 6. How is it now? That's less. We should put it high, and that is high. That's at 5. Let's put it at 5 and see what happens. So, okay, so we'll leave it boil, and then we'll come back and continue after it has cooked. Okay. So now I'm going to make some tea for myself, and this is how I like my tea. Let's get a cup here. So, and go there. So I have a cup of water. Then I pour my milk that I bought. See that one? Then I will put it here. Then I will put it there. Then I have to switch on this. This scares me. This scares me. I'm not used to a gas cooker, so I get very scared. What I shall do is I shall put that to the side and cook my tea first with that one. There's some tea leaves here that I shall use. And I shall put very little, just for 1 cup. Just about that. So I shall leave that one to cook until it has boiled, and I will show you.